we have to talk, and I would like to sincerely apologize to Alejandro Garnacho. I also have to apologize to Ruben Amorim. I didn't know the long-term play. Ruben Amorim is Ajit Doval, and Alejandro Garnacho is the true Dhurandhar. Sorry, Amorim, I wasn't aware of the
Of your game.
game plan. I
Thank you,
wasn't aware.
Amorim.
Sorry, Alejandro. Thank you, Alejandro Garnacho. Brilliant performance for United, man. Brilliant. I must say, this
For
is the best.
United.
This is the best performance that he's ever done in a non-United T-shirt for
What
United.
was he?
Hello and welcome back
Guys,
to match reaction. Chelsea versus Manchester United or Manchester United versus Chelsea. जो बोलना है बोल लो. Because to be honest, it was a very shitty game. How Game of Thrones में वो episode है एक Battle of Bastards. This was Battle of Tutties. United was shit. Chelsea was shittier.
I know.
For the
Like, this is what, right? We played shit, but somehow they are shittier. And this is us playing without any defenders.
they find a way to
but
become
before
shittier.
we begin, yeah, अबे तुम आईटी सीनियर मैनेजर को अपना कोच बनाओगे तो क्या होगा अभी वो चूतिया सर्विस डेस्क का मैनेजर लगता है लियम रोस सीनियर but before we start abusing this match and also a few more matches एक दो matches has clearly shown me that Michael Carrick is not ready to be a Man United manager. He does not have plan B. एक ही प्लान के साथ खेलता है एक ही सॉर्ट ऑफ गेम प्ले के साथ ही जाता है अच्छा है मैं ये नहीं कह रहा इट्स गुड फॉर समथिंग लाइक मे बी अ छोटा टीम बट फॉर यूनाइटेड when you want to when you want your team to challenge for trophies you cannot just have one plan you need to have 3-4 plans we've seen this with
Yeah.
Arsenal उनका प्लान फेल हो गया जैसे ही उनको लो ब्लॉक में रखना चालू कर दिया लोगों ने या उनके कॉर्नर्स डिफेंड करना चालू कर दिया राइट वी सीन दिस विद सिटी द मोमेंट उनकी फ्लूइडिटी रोक दो हो गया एंड इफ वी स्टिक विद माइकल कैरिक द नेक्स्ट सीजन or we won't be able to win anything because he does not have the adaptability to manage a team like United and to have because we saw that against Chelsea.
Yeah.
But
I don't know. What do you
you have
guys think?
The,
I don't disagree with you complete. I mean, I agree with you for the majority part, but the players, man, he doesn't have the players to like. Who are you going to bring up front? Zogzi, like he doesn't have the players to really make the game changes that allow him multiple strategies.
the
Uh,
changes. Okay.
I think
Okay.
I think he has at most what he has either you start up with Sesko up front or you start up with Buemo up front. That those are his only two strategies to play with. In midfield, though, his only option is Ugarte, which all of us know is not an option. In defense, he doesn't have the defenders to play with only to change around anything. So he has very limited options. But even then, I agree with you, Adi. I think
No, but on that note, like it's a
going the
good point. Okay, like he doesn't have that many options. So Adi, agar he gets a squad like you get Ugarte out, Cass is going, you get good midfielders. I don't know striker or CB as well. क्योंकि अपने को एक चाहिए रहेगा. Delete is like a long term injury guy. कुछ भी हो अगर उसको स्क्वाड मिला what do you think? Because I think after this game, especially after the Chelsea game, there are a lot of talks of Carrick in. और तूने स्टार्ट ही वैसे किया कि you don't want Carrick, so I'm just asking.
I don't want Carrick in. See, it's not the Chelsea game. इसके पहले वाला game भी the one against
हाँ,
Leeds,
yeah, exactly.
right?
We spoke about
I
it, right? Yeah,
right सेंटर बैक दो अब सस्पेंड हुए हैं मैं ये नहीं कह रहा बट आई मेरे को लगता है कि कैरिक ओनली नोज प्लान ए वन वे हाउ टू प्ले
yeah.
ठीक
I'm
है
with you.
प्लेयर्स आई अग्री प्लेयर्स नहीं है बट यू कैन स्टिल चेंज द वे यू सेट योर टीम अप राइट आई डोंट सी दैट विद हिम वी आर
Especially
ओनली
if you
प्लेइंग
go
वन
Champions League.
कंपटीशन वी आर ओनली प्लेइंग वन कंपटीशन तभी हालत है समझ अगले सीजन 4 कंपटीशन खेलना है
Champions,
स्क्वाड
especially Champions League.
मार्च होने का चैंपियंस लीग मेरे को पता है उसमें हम लोग राउंड ऑफ 16 से आगे नहीं जाने वाले देख रियलिटी तो यही है next
हाँ,
season भी my point is but you're playing 4 different tournaments
yeah,
overnight तो squad नहीं पड़ने वाला है right overnight तो होगा तो यूनाइटेड जाके 10 प्लेयर खरीदेगा नहीं a good manager would then start setting the team up in ways that he can cope up with all of that he would still crib I think that is where Carrick lacks and not because he does not want to be a great manager I think he's a good coach I'm just saying that he does not have the experience yet he needs to build that
I totally agree
right
with you,
नहीं तो
Adi.
फिर वापुन भी आर्टेटा वाली पोजीशन पे रह जाएंगे
And and that is
7 साल
my
नहीं मिलेगा.
problem is the item I was saying last video also, right? Is if we
हाँ,
take Carrick as coach, we have to keep him for the rest of the season, next season. We don't want
exactly.
to get into a state where we change coach mid season. So it's either you sign him up for the entire season, or you don't sign him at all. And
And back him.
although the fans are now leaning more towards that, right? Somewhere I think Carrick is not ready for it yet. And I
Seems like
agree
If we
because
go,
with Adi on that.
no, even I'm on the same page. Because we can see, right, our squad is not that bad. Like I'm talking when we have like first team, proper first team, it's not that bad. Or we are not, so we're winning some games. Obviously, Carrick has done very good since he came, since he took over. We've
not taking
beaten
that
big
away.
teams
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well, but we're not playing that great. We cannot, like, it's a fact, right? We cannot say that we've been playing good football. We do have good players, like, कुछ भी किया हो हमने, but we've got good players. चूते Garnacho जैसे player को we got rid of him. We got like Cunha, Mbumo. They're getting goals, right? They कुछ भी हो. So that helps. कुछ भी करके हम थर्ड है, तो
मैं
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि
I,
कोई
But
अगर अगर स्क्वाड दिया, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक डू यू थिंक कैरिक कैन स्टिल, क्योंकि देख
no.
चैंपियंस लीग यू सेड इट आदि राउंड ऑफ 16 से ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा, and just because we qualify next season I'm not expecting कि oh we go semi-final or anything, obviously, like we know, हमको पता है we are
बाकी
always
टीम्स का
down.
क्या क्या है?
हाँ हाँ,
साला
मैं
वो
just बोल रहा हूँ
गैलातासरे और स्पोर्टिंग लिस्बन आके चोद के भाग जाएगा.
एग्जैक्टली मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुम दोनों को चैंपियन इसका ईपीएल का ही पूछ रहा हूँ. इफ ही गेट्स अ स्क्वाड, इफ ही गेट्स लाइक अ गुड टीम हियर एंड देयर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक वैसा, क्योंकि वी आर स्टिल थर्ड बाय द वे.
भाई वी आर स्टिल थर्ड बिकॉज वी आर ओनली प्लेइंग वन कंपटीशन, वन गेम अ वीक, उसमें भी लौड़े लगते
दैट्स
हैं.
आल्सो द
तो
या
ये सी माइकल
तो अगले
कैरिक
सीजन भी वही
has
करते
come
हैं ना.
at a point managing United. सब आ जाते पहले ही तो see,
टेंशन ही
we
लेना.
need to understand we are playing the least amount of games ever that Man United has played
दिस
since World War II. Only 40 games खेले हमने ये सीजन.
उसमें भी हार रहे
एक
हैं
गेम एफए
24
का,
दिन
एक
के
गेम
बाद.
काराबाओ का, एक गेम एफए का, एक गेम काराबाओ का और 38 गेम प्रीमियर लीग के.
उसमें
40
भी
गेम खेल रहे हैं हम ढंग
24
से.
24 दिन का ब्रेक लेके उसमें भी हार रहे हैं मैच.
So this is what I'm saying, right? And yet, so for to play one game a week, I don't think so कि हमारा स्क्वाड thin है. तब तो हमारा स्क्वाड बहुत
और
अच्छा
ना
है. बट
ये
फिर भी आप नहीं खिला रहे हो प्लेयर्स को because either you do not have confidence in them, or second you're not been able to motivate them well enough so that they can play that well. See, I can think उगारते, I can say that उगारते तो लंडी हटाओ. कोई तुम शेल एसी को मौका नहीं दे रहे हो. तुम वो कौन है, वो दूसरा एक और मिडफील्डर है जो बच्चा ही है कोई, तो कॉनू करके उसको नहीं दे रहे हो. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. तुम 18 हेवन को तुमने झक मारा के खिलाया क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास सेंटर बैक्स नहीं थे. अब
लेकिन कैसा
सो
देगा
एक
मौका, हम गेम
क्यों, जब
फिनिश ही
एक
नहीं
बात
कर रहे
बता,
हैं कि लाइक
अरे जब
हम
माइनू
एंड
ने,
तक लेके जा
अरे
रहे हैं ना.
मैं
हाँ
लास्ट गेम में
मेन्यू
तुमको
के
यही
टाइम पे,
बता रहा था.
हाँ
माइनू के टाइम पे दे सकता था ना शेड, किसी को तो दे सकता था. उगारते को खिला के क्या फायदा है? You're any which was losing to
No,
Leeds 2-1. After 40 years, you've lost at Old Trafford. 40 years. Again, I'm not being critical of Carrick. All I'm saying is, ये
करेक्ट.
tailor-made situation में, when there is minimum fuss, minimum pressure
इफ
on him and as a Man United coach and on the team, फिर भी we see our team struggling for whatever reason. So imagine now you take this same, you add 3-4 players, chalo, you give him 4 good players, and you move this to next season where they're competing in 4 different competitions where you're playing game every third day. तब क्या करोगे? और
दैट्स
ये
ट्रू.
छोड़ दो, I have ये छोड़ दे. Fuck, Bruno Fernandes has had 25 goal contributions this year. Take him out of this squad. What have we
आई
done?
वाज अबाउट टू से अगर ब्रूनो निकाल दिया तो मेन इंजन ही चले जाएगा. एंड forget that, I'm just saying कि when like there's been games where like I think just दो तीन की Bruno's like having a bad game, or he's going through that phase where like दो तीन
We've
games
had bad
he's,
game.
और वो हमारा पूरा बैड, लाइक मेरे को वो निकालना है, क्योंकि अगर वो होना शुरू हो गया फिर से, सी ही इज बीन कंसिस्टेंट, ही इज गोइंग फॉर दैट असिस्ट थिंग, लाइक इट्स अ बिग थिंग.
अच्छा हो जाएगा वो.
अगर यही नेक्स्ट सीजन वो आउट ऑफ फॉर्म चले गया, क्या कर सकते हैं? ही इज बीन इन फॉर्म फॉर लाइक आई डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर ब्रो, लाइक क्या 5-6 साल. उसमें भी फैंस, आधे
अरे
चूते फैंस बोल रहे कि लाइक ओ सेल ब्रूनो क्योंकि वो थोड़ा रड्डी रोना करता है, बॉल देता है, लाइक
एक
भाई.
एक बात बता. If
हाँ
to your point, if Bruno was in any other teams, let's say PSG or a Madrid or
वो
a City, he would have won Ballon d'Or. He would have won
इजीली
Ballon d'Or.
easily, because they'll be scoring
Dem
goals left and right. He'll have that much
Dembele
freedom.
Dembele last year won Ballon d'Or with PSG because he scored so many goals. Imagine Bruno Fernandes playing for a
Behind,
PSG or for a Bayern Munich or
oh,
for a Man City.
behind Kane. Fuck.
Rodri won because he's playing behind Haaland. So just because Bruno is playing for a very struggling Man United team, that's why uska naam wo contention mein nahi aata and we don't think. But he's brilliant. He's just simply superb. I don't have words for him. But I we have to talk, and I would like to sincerely apologize to Alejandro Garnacho.
Huh?
I also have to apologize to Ruben Amorim. I didn't know the long term play. Ruben Amorim is Ajit Doval, and Alejandro Garnacho is the true Dhurandhar. Sorry, Amorim, I wasn't aware of the
Of your game.
game plan. I
Thank you,
wasn't aware.
Amorim.
Sorry, Alejandro. Thank you, Alejandro Garnacho. Brilliant performance for United, man. Brilliant. I must say this is the best.
United.
This is the best performance that he's ever done in a non-United T-shirt for
What was
United.
he? What was he
It's
doing?
the
He
first
wasn't
time
this
in a
bad,
long
man.
time. It's the first time in a long time that United played with 12 players on a pitch. Otherwise, for the whole of
Yeah,
last season,
12
we played
players.
with 10
We've always
only.
played with 10, 11.
Like, to be honest, he wasn't this shit, man. Like at United, like Chelsea में जाके तो और गंदा हो गया. And he got a game.
He's
क्योंकि
lost
like
the
सब
plot.
कर दिया, he's lost it.
He's
Like,
lost the plot. He does not know what to do. And मैंने ना देखो जब when he used to play for United मैं ये बोलता था कि he's a one trick pony. उसको सिर्फ बॉल लेके भागना आता है और उसको कुछ नहीं आता है. He does not have game sense. He does not have the brain to put the ball in. He does not know how to cut play. और तू बोलता था छोटा है, young है. याद
like,
है तेरा मेरा बहस भी हुआ
हाँ
था.
मैं बोलता
But मैं
भी
बोल
था
रहा हूँ
और
3 साल
like
से
I
खेल रहा है वो प्रीमियर लीग.
अभी आई डोंट टेक दिस थिंग. मैं तभी बोलता था क्योंकि यूनाइटेड में है. आई लाइक दैट ट्रायो लाइक ऑफ यंग प्लेयर्स. मैं बोला इम्प्रूव कर सकता है अगर अच्छा
वो
मैनेजर है. मैं तभी ही बोल रहा था इज नॉट परफेक्ट. बट उसके जो
in a
उसने किया, आई नीड टू प्ले हिज ब्रदर एंड देन ही वेंट. आई एम लाइक ना. बट दिस इज लाइक ही इज गोइंग
in a
डाउनवर्ड्स. हाँ
struggling
आगे.
United, right? When he put in a performance here and there, right? It kept him in the limelight. At Chelsea, there are so many players who are there. It's not whether they're performing. There are just so many players that are there, right? That he's not getting the face
That's true.
time and game time that he. Even if he does something, right? People are like, give him a clap, and next game they go back to the same things because he he doesn't have those intensity items in training or anything, and he's just one player among the
Yeah.
rest.
And this is
I'll to put this in context. Sorry, doing very simple.
no,
A very mediocre child will be praised in a country like Australia and America because competition बहुत कम है. 44 करोड़ और 4 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन है तो वो बंदा अगर 60% भी लाया he'll be held in high regards. Now
हाँ
take the same kid to India, he'll be like भाग बहनचोद. There are
नॉर्मल है.
22,000 people just in this building who scored more percentage than you. So
एग्जैक्टली.
Chelsea is that building. गर्नाचो से अच्छा प्लेयर उस पोजीशन के लिए चेल्सी के स्क्वाड में 4 है. So Chelsea, we didn't play well. We just lucky to win 1 point. We lucky to win 1-0 and get 3 points.
That is a good
58
goal.
Champions League champion. Great goal by Cunha. Although
Yep.
Bomo had a bad game. बहुत ही खराब खेला है बोमो उस दिन. Ahmad is not in form. शेस्को बेचारा भागता है लेकिन बॉल ही नहीं आया उसके पास.
सेस्को को पूरे गेम में कुछ नहीं मिला. Like I'll
एक
be very
सर्विस नहीं
honest.
था बेचारा लेकिन
तो
भागता बहुत यार वो बच्चा. ही
हाँ आई वुड
he
टॉक
pulls
अबाउट
people.
सेस्को
ना
को
ना मैं
ये
कुछ बोल
गेम
ही
में
नहीं
नहीं
रहा.
था. सो दैट्स फाइन. लेकिन मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ.
Only
लाइक इवन आफ्टर बीइंग शिट, लाइक एक वो
we've won.
गेम. हाँ एंड लाइक I think you might feel the same. So like you know how जैसे United Chelsea भी if it's a big game and especially when your defenders are injured or out, you have that sense कि अरे यार आज बम्बू लगेंगे यार. थोड़ा वो डर लगता है. नहीं था ही नहीं.
Because
Even though you're out,
अगर
like
तुम्हारे टीम का सबसे खराब डिफेंडर उनके विंगर को चमाट मार रहा है एवरी टाइम, दिएगो डालो ब्रो. He is so
he had a
bad.
good
As a
game.
United, he had good game is an understatement. He had a bad game. भाई वो
Garnacho
गर्नाचो को
couldn't run
वो
past
और
him most
कैसे
of the time.
गर्नाचो को बुली किया है यार. I couldn't. There was one moment in the match when
हाँ.
Garnacho ने ना counter attack भागाया, ball लेके भागा, and Casemiro just stood in front of him. And I think Garnacho just gave the ball away.
he was just मैं रुकता हूँ
True.
इसको करने दे. पास आया, zoom कर. He didn't even like zero efforts. आराम से लेके चले. तू रुक जा.
तू समझ रहे है
You
Casemiro जो
you saw a
बंदा
new meme running. So they are pitching Dalot for Chelsea now. They're like, if you
हाँ.
buy Dalot, then Garnacho's performance will
Garnacho
go
will
through the roof.
activate. You gotta buy Dalot to activate like Garnacho. वो बहुत
वो
टाइम से है.
वो जैसा है ना, यू नीड टू हैव ट्रेंट अलेक्जेंडर आर्नल्ड इन ऑर्डर फॉर साला टू स्कोर गोल्स. वो वही वाला सीन है. ट्रेंट गया, साला का गोल्स गया. But the other thing was Chelsea का कोई गेम प्ले नहीं था. They wanted, they first started, they played okay in the first half. They started attacking
Yes.
us from the center. United did one thing, defend narrow. वो लोग wide जा रहे हैं, डाल दो. Then
वो फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था.
Chelsea started putting long balls. Yes, Chelsea started putting long balls, direct crosses inside our boxes because we didn't have we didn't have, see, ना लिसांद्रो था, ना मगवायर है, ना डिलिट है. They are beast when it comes to heading the ball, right? Mazurui से तुमने एक्सपेक्ट कर, बेचारा सेंटर बैक ही नहीं है, but he was, and still they couldn't. Yes, they got two great opportunities when Delap hit the pole,
Post पे
and दूसरा कौन था, उसका हाथ भी लगा, फिर वो गोल नहीं होता, लेकिन पोस्ट पे लगा वापस
पोस्ट पे लगा.
उनका
हाँ.
एक
They
और
came close. हाँ.
net they did come close. I'd also say that United was lucky to win 1-0. At one point of time I thought Chelsea will get a 1-1.
Get a
But
1-1.
ठीक है,
हाँ, same.
जहाँ जीते तो नहीं, 1-1 तो, but I still am very happy with the fact that without any of our starting center backs and ये सब and our Mbomo misfiring, we still were able to win 1-0 on to the
With a
next
clean
game.
sheet.
I'm okay with a clean sheet away.
Away,
I'm
exactly.
okay.
Away, clean sheet. And apparently, I was just reading. So I think 5 games बचे हैं ना. Like we just need 2 more wins, and that's gonna
We have
seal our spot. क्योंकि वैसे भी
10 points, right?
5 slots है. हाँ.
10 points
Yeah.
gap to Champions League.
अपन टॉप 4 में तो रहेंगे. आइदर
हाँ.
न्यूकासल अपने से ऊपर चले जाएगा या अपन नीचे आ
न्यूकासल.
जाएंगे. एस्टन विला है ना,
Villa.
Aston Villa.
सॉरी.
बट अभी
हाँ, विला
5
ऊपर.
स्पॉट्स है तो ठीक है. लाइक आई थिंक वी जस्ट नीड 2 अगला 2 गेम अपन, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट गेम इज लिवरपूल, राइट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, कि इसके बाद वाला है.
देखना पड़ेगा यार.
देखना पड़ेगा.
Oh, no, sorry. I think next week is not Liverpool. Week after, like next is Burnley. नहीं, कोई तो है. Crystal Palace.
ब्रेंटफोर्ड.
देखना पड़ेगा.
Brentford आरामी टीम है. Away है, home है,
We're
home है.
playing ब्रेंटफोर्ड. होम. अपन होम है, फिर ब्रेंटफोर्ड है.
हाँ, Monday night है तुम्हारा. यहाँ पे Tuesday morning, I think so.
फिर
That
रात
should
को
be a
मैच
big
रख
game
दिया.
नहीं यार.
ना, but hopefully we get that win. God knows. अगर जीते कुछ भी करके
तेरे
तो हो
को,
जाएगा.
so this is just an additional trivia that I just came across.
हाँ.
The last 4 managers, including Nistelrooy, points per game, right? How many points per game? So Nistelrooy, for however small games that he did, he had an average of 2 points per game, 50%.
Yeah,
Amorim in
that's it.
2024-25 had 1 point per game average. In 2025-2026, Amorim had 1.6 points an average. And then
Seriously?
it's Carrick. 2.2
Carrick is
points.
2.5.
2.2 points per game. So Amorim ने एक ही काम अच्छा किया, गर्नाचो को चेल्सी देके. But on that
Actually.
note,
बाकी उसने जो बोला वो सच निकला कि like we will suffer, we suffer a
suffering.
lot. कितना losses, अभी सोचने का भी मन नहीं करता, but it's okay.
नहीं, जीत पे. But all right, boys, thank you so much for
Right.
joining. We will
We'll
do,
talk.
or we will meet for the next game.
Yes,
Bye, guys.
Brentford. Be good.